Everyone wants to have their own home cinema. You get to watch your favorite movies on a projector from the comfort of your house. Of course, the problem here is how can you afford a projector? I mean, projectors are often expensive, ranging from 8K to 15K to even reach that decent cinema quality. But not everyone is capable of spending that amount of money for just entertainment purposes. I mean, it's hard enough for us that the government keeps on fucking our lives up because of how incompetent and unequal their services are to the people. But what if you could get a projector that is portable, has decent image quality, and only costs around $25? Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol, my name is Joen, and this is the YG300 Mini Projector. So some of you may ask, Joen, what's with all these tech purchases? Well, of course, we have to continue uploading content on this channel, and I'm still not earning much here on YouTube. I haven't even reached the required threshold to withdraw, so content and personal wants or needs still coincides. So I got this projector from Lazada for only $1,175. It is from a seller called Co-Link Technology. If you wanna guys check it out, I'll be leaving the links down in the description. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing and review of the YG300 Mini Projector. But if you'll enjoy this video, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be fabulous. Right off the bat, here is the packaging. Let's take out the bubble wrap and see how the box looks. At the front is the image of the projector. At the side shows the files that are supported by the projector. And at the other side are the projector specifications. As we open the box, we should see a styrofoam protecting the contents of the box. Its contents are an old school DC power cord, the projector remote, an AV display plug, user guide, and the projector itself. The projector has a built-in button system at the top, wherein an LED indicator, power button, navigation keys, OK button, source button, and back key are located. At the front, we have the speaker and the adjustable lens that is adjusted from the side. At the right side is the DC port, HDMI, and a USB port. At the back are a micro USB port, audio plug, SD card slot, and the AV port. Lastly, at the bottom of the projector is a tripod mount and 4 rubber feet for that added rough footing. This is a truly tiny projector. It has the dimensions of 126 by 86 by 48 millimeters. It is portable and easy to set up. You can absolutely carry it anywhere, and it can even be powered by a power bank. But display quality will be reduced because it requires about 12 volts of power to function properly. Even for its size, it is packed with a lot of video inputs to choose from, so it is definitely worth for its price. The remote that comes with the projector is powered by 2 AAA batteries. It has a power and mute button at the top, backward, forward, pause and play buttons, the directional and OK buttons, back menu, home, and the volume buttons below. It is great that this tiny projector comes with a remote, though I really don't use it much, but it is delightful that it is included considering the cheap price of this projector. Now it's time to demonstrate how this projector works. First off, take the DC cord, plug it into the projector, then to a power outlet. The LED indicator will lit up, and as the projector turns on, you should see its built-in neat interface. In the menu, you can see 4 sections: the movie, music, photos, and text tabs, which are dependent on what input source you've selected. You can choose from HDMI, AV, USB, and even SD card. I have used the input sources AV, USB, and even HDMI with the Xiaomi Mi TV stick plugged in, which I'll be doing a video soon. There is also a settings tab wherein you can change the picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, and the flip of the projected screen. You can also alter its sound quality, add a clock to the display, and even have software updates for the projector. And now let's see how the projector truly performs. I will be playing a video on 1920 by 1080p resolution, but the projector downscales it to only 320 by 240 resolution. That is a pretty low resolution for 2021 standards, considering 4K media consumptions are a trend these days. As you can see, video quality is a little distorted and some places on the display can really go dark, but I could say that it's still fairly okay. Colors can be bright and realistic when you are in a dimmed area. Not too saturated, but it is a little contrasty. It also does not support 60 FPS, but considering its price, you really won't expect it from here. The maximum projection distance suitable for viewing is up to 2 meters. The display will be at 60 inches with that distance, although text and subtitles are a little fuzzy to be read on at this range. But it is still a nice and really big display for a $25 projector. As far as the sound performance goes, it is below average. Voice and sound effects tend to crack, no noticeable bass as well whatsoever. It feels like the sound comes from a can, or as the Filipino saying goes, tunog lata siya. Here's an audio sample so you can hear it for yourself. The sound quality of the projector is quite bad, so I suggest plugging in a separate speaker for a better viewing experience. Overall, the YG300 Mini Projector is a viable starter projector for anyone who wants to have their own home cinema. A mini projector that supports HDMI, USB, AV, and SD card output, can be powered by a power bank so you can use it on the go, portable size where you can carry it around, and a decent display quality that can reach up to 60 inches. And it only costs below $25, the YG300 Mini Projector is definitely worth it for its price. And that's about it for my unboxing and review of the YG300 Mini Projector. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. At ayun guys, balik na naman tayo sa ECQ. Isang taon na po tayong ginagago ng gobyerno. Isang taon na tayo hindi pinapahalaga ng mga inatasan nating mamuno sa ating mga bayan. At ang kanilang nagawa lamang ay gumawa ng panibagong pangalan para sa mga kalapit na syudad ng Manila. Gumawa pa sila ng maraming abbreviations, yung mga ibang tawag sa ECQ, GCQ, MGCQ, para lang pagtakpan yung pagpapakulong nila sa atin sa ating mga tahanan. At hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin silang ginagawang paraan para malutasan ang tinatahak na problema ng ating bansa. Plano nga ata nila i-roll out yung vaccines pagdating ng election year. Kasi for sure, kapag nag-send out sila ng vaccines, malamang ang utak at puso ng taong bayan ay lalapit sa kanila kasi at that time pa lang nila binigay yung vaccine. Kahit fully loaded na sila ng funds, kayang-kaya na nilang i-afford bumili ng mga vaccines, pero hindi pa rin nila ginagawa kasi gusto nga nilang akitin pa yung tao at the day na iboboto ulit sila. Yun nga So kailangan matiyag kayo, maging alerto kayo pa din. Hindi kayo dapat magpapauto sa gobyerno. Yung gagawin nila kung sakaling ibibigay nila yung mga vaccines, responsibilidad nila yan. Hindi yan dapat gamitin para pang-akit na iboto sila. Huwag ganon. Huwag kayong maging uto-uto. Malamang sa malamang ganon ang gagawin nila. Inaantay lang nilang dumating yung election year. At ayun nga, kung may makita man kayong poster ng Run Sara Duterte, pakitanggal, pakipunit, pakisira na lang. Ipakita nyo sa kanila na hindi tayo magiging tanga ulit sa pagboto. At please lang sa mga boboto man, wag sana kayong maging tanga. Yun lang guys. Everyone, stay safe, keep grinding, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!